Video 7. Recognising anxiety thinking. Anxiety thinking is always worst case scenario, that catastrophic thinking that the worst is going to happen. It's usually black and white, so you can't see any variation or other option. It's very distressing, and it quite often makes you want to avoid the situation that you're imagining. These thoughts are anxiety thoughts, not genuine worries and concerns. As such, they need to be recognised and managed. The thoughts might seem to come from nowhere, but there will be a reason behind it. By beginning to unpick your thoughts and beliefs, it gives you some understanding and control over them. If we look at the CBT, the cognitive behavioural therapy model, we can see thoughts feed into feelings, which feeds into actions and behaviours. Actions and behaviours are relatively easy to control. Feelings are a little more tricky, and we've spoken about these in our last few videos. However, if we can start at the beginning and work with the thoughts, it might be that we can avoid some of that unpleasant feeling and unhelpful actions that we're then tempted to take. Often when we've lived with anxiety for a long time, we turn the dial down on those thoughts, so it can seem that the feelings have come out of nowhere. There will be a thought that has precipitated that, and by tuning in to what we're thinking and what we're telling ourselves, it's the first step towards then moderating those thoughts. So the simple exercise from this video is to start to listen to yourself. What stories are you telling yourself? What anxious thoughts are coming up for you? You don't have to deal with them at the moment, but beginning to recognise them and seeing if there's a common pattern is really helpful for the next step, which we'll take in our next video.